The Three Little Pigs. Once upon a time, 3 little pigs waved goodbye to their kind mother.
Be careful, my piggies.
Bye, Mommy.
We'll be careful, said the 3 little pigs, and they went to build their own houses. Pig 1 found a sunny field filled with tall yellow straw.
I will build my house with straw. This will be quick.
He piled the straw high and made a little house.
All done.
The house looked warm and cozy, but it wasn't very strong. Pig 2 went to the woods. He found some sticks.
I will build my house with sticks. It's stronger than straw, and I can finish it before dinner.
He stacked the sticks carefully to make a house.
All done.
Pig 3 walked and walked until he found some bricks.
I will build my house with bricks. This will take time, but it will be strong and safe.
He worked the hardest. He worked and built a strong house.
All done, safe and strong.
One day, a big wolf came along. He was very hungry, and he smelled the pigs. He knocked on Pig 1's straw house.
Little pig, let me come in.
No, 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 no.
Then I will blow down your house.
And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the straw house down. Pig 1 ran fast. He ran to his brother's stick house.
We are not afraid of wolves.
We are not afraid of wolves,
they sang. The wolf followed Pig 1 and came to the stick house.
Little pigs, let me come in.
No, 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 no,
said Pig 1.
Nope,
said Pig 2.
Then I will blow down your house,
said the wolf. And he huffed, and he puffed, and he blew the stick house down too. Pig 1 and Pig 2 ran as fast as they could to their brother's brick house.
Let us in! Let us in!
They said, and they all ran inside the brick house.
We are not afraid of wolves.
We are not afraid of wolves,
They sang. The wolf followed Pig 1 and Pig 2 and came to the brick house.
Little pigs, let me come in.
No, 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 no.
Said Pig 1.
Nup, 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 nup.
Said Pig 2.
Then I will blow down your house.
Said the wolf. And he huffed and he puffed. Again and again.
What?
But the brick house did not move at all. He climbed up to the roof. And slid down the chimney. But clever Pig 3 had a fire burning down there. The wolf jumped out and ran far, far away, never to return again. The 3 little pigs danced and sang together.
We are not afraid of wolves.
We are not afraid of wolves.
We close the door, we stay inside.
We're safe and happy side by side. And they lived happily ever after. The end.